Samar Mukherjee was born on the day of the October Revolution in Russia, 4 years before the revolution happened, that is, on 7th November 1913. His life traversed the entire course of the 20th century and mirrored some of the major events of that historic period. He joined the freedom struggle as a young student at the age of 15 and participated in the Boycott Simon Commission agitation in 1928. He joined the civil disobedience movement in 1930 and was jailed in the same year. He became the president of the All India Students' Federation of Howrah district in 1938. Samar Da became a member of the Communist Party in 1940. Thus began an arduous and significant role in the communist movement. He organized the peasant movement and the trade union movement in Howrah district. He attended the first party congress held in Bombay as a delegate in 1943. Samar Da played a notable role in building the refugee movement in West Bengal, taking up the cause of the lakhs of people who had come across from East Bengal after the partition. He became a member of the State Secretariat of the Undivided Communist Party in 1961. After that, he played an important role in the inner party struggle, which eventually led to the formation of the CPIM. Samar Mukherjee was elected to the Central Committee of the party in 1966. He served as a member of the Politburo from 1982. Another important dimension of Samar Mukherjee's activity began in 1971, when he was elected for the first time to the Lok Sabha. He continued to be a member of the Lok Sabha till 1984 and then became a member of the Rajya Sabha for 2 terms till 1993. He was the deputy leader in the Lok Sabha while A.K. Gopalan was the leader. Later, he became the leader of the CPIM group in the Lok Sabha from 1977 to 1984. As a communist parliamentarian, he effectively combined his work in parliament with the trade union movement and taking up people's issues. Samar Mukherjee played a key role in the development of the C2, Centre of Indian Trade Unions, of which he was the treasurer and later the general secretary. He was one of the organizers of the historic railway strike in 1974. Samar Mukherjee brought complete dedication and meticulous attention to all the responsibilities that he discharged as a party organizer, as a trade union leader, and as a parliamentarian. Samar Da is an archetypal communist. He has led a Spartan life. While being a parliamentary leader, he always stayed in a room allotted to him in the Parliament office, first in 4 Ashoka Road and later in Windsor Place. Even after the payment of the party levy, which took away the bulk of his salary and allowances, Samar Da would save much of the rest of the money and donate it to the party. In Kolkata, he continued to live in the party commune. Samar Da is known for his amiable behavior and his warmth and concern for all the cadres. As many revolutionaries of his time, he never got married. Comrade Jyoti Basu used to say that Samar Da is God's own man. This saying in English denotes a selfless person who has all the virtues of a good human being. Comrade Samar Mukherjee died on 18th July 2013, and as per his wishes, the body was donated to the Nil Ratan Sarkar Medical College and Hospital. Samar Da is one of the members of that generation of communists who sacrificed everything and served the party with complete dedication. News Frontliner tribute to Samar Mukherjee on his death anniversary.